In the last 4 years, my team and I have been able to generate over $20 million for our clients. And one of the ways we've been able to do that is using what we call the multilingual email marketing system. And basically what that means is that we are able to send emails to people in their local languages. So if you're an e-commerce seller that sells to different countries, especially in Europe, and one of the best ways to increase the revenue is sending emails to people in their local languages. So for example, if you're selling to somewhere like France, you want to speak to people in French. If you're selling to Spain, you want to speak to people in Spanish language. And like I said, we've been able to do this for many of our clients, and that's how we're able to generate a lot of revenue for them. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do the same thing for yourself. In one of my previous videos, I talked about how to use the multilingual email marketing system. I showed how to create the form, how to set up the flow, how to create the segment. But recently, Klaviyo just created some updates, and one of the updates is smart translation, which basically means that you can translate email directly from inside Klaviyo using Klaviyo AI. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do it and how to put everything together step by step. So without further ado, let's get into my computer to show you how to use Klaviyo Smart Translation to translate your emails and send email to your customers in their local languages. So before we start using the Klaviyo Smart Translation, there are a couple of things that we need to keep in mind. And I'm going to be using this document from Klaviyo to talk about that. So the first one is that you need to have a paid Klaviyo account to be able to use this feature. And another one are the things you can translate. So you can see here it says what can be translated. The following can be automatically translated. These are text block, labels, alt text. The following can be manually changed per language, links and images. And the following cannot be translated, product feed content. So basically what this means is that you can translate text blocks, labels, and alternative text, right? But you cannot translate links and images automatically. So you need to do this manually. So for example, if you have an image that you design on Canva or Figma, you need to translate that image. So if there's a text on the image, you need to translate it to the language you want, right? So Klaviyo cannot do this automatically. And also, you cannot translate product feed content. So it's quite important to keep this in mind. And I'm going to be showing you a couple of examples as we move on. After that, you want to go to settings. Then under settings, you want to go to translation. And here, all you need to do is just turn on smart translation. So how to determine preferred language? You can either choose country or local. Anyone works. But we're using country in this example. And you can see it's distributing the languages based on the profile count we have in this account. So here you can see we have the English, which is the top 45%. And if you scroll all the way down, you see other countries that are also included in this Klaviyo profile. So this section is talking about the account language. And here you will see do not translate. So basically this means that maybe there are a couple of words you don't want to translate. In this example, you can see we say GC collection. So we don't want to translate the name of the brand. It's going to be the same word for every language. Catalog local mapping, you don't need to worry about this. You don't need to worry about this as well. So all you need to do is just click on save. Next thing to do now is create our campaign. So basically you just need to go to your campaign the same way you create usual campaign. So I'm going to name this tutorial campaign, just as an example. So I'm going to be choosing our single channel and I will choose email. Then click on continue. You can also translate text message and WhatsApp message as well. But in this example, you're going to be using email. So next thing I want to do is I want to choose the profiles. I want to turn off the smart sending, and also I can choose who I don't want to send to. So for example, if you don't want to send to your bounced segment, you can also select that and click on next. So here I'm going to be choosing from one of our saved email for this tutorial. So I'm going to be choosing this email right here. So after choosing the template, I want to click on this button right here that says translate. So I'm just going to click on that, and that will take us to the dashboard where we're going to configure the translation. But before then, I want to select the languages I'll be translating into. So in this example, so these are the languages that Klaviyo gave by default based on the profiles we have on this account. But if you don't find the language, you can also select from this drop down. You can select additional languages from this drop down. But for this tutorial, I'm going to be selecting 3 languages. I'm going to be selecting German, Poland, and France. So this is what the translation dashboard looks like, and I'm going to be walking you through it one by one. So currently we are in the German language, and you can see this general VIP club, which is the subject line, is already translated in German language. The preview text is also translated. So image block. So like I mentioned earlier, you cannot translate image. So Klaviyo cannot translate image automatically. So you need to either do it inside your design tool. So for example, if you're using Figma, you can do it manually. So and translate the email manually on Figma. So there's an example of that. So right here, you can just copy this text. You copy this text and use this tool called Deeply and just paste the text in here. And I can also switch to other languages that I'm using. So I can choose French and Polish in this example. So basically that's how to, easily translate the graphics. You can go to your Figma, duplicate the graphics and put in the translated text right there. And then what you want to do is replace that here. So you can click on this image right here, image block, and this edit button. So you can just click on that. I'll be able to upload the graphic manually. So that's how you do that for each of the blocks. So as you can see, all of them are pretty much translated. And like I said, if I switch to other languages, you can see this is the French. And also, if you want to edit something, maybe you want to edit this text, you can click on this edit button. You can also edit whatever you want here, and that's done easily inside the Klaviyo Smart Translation. So this is the button section. You can also edit the button if you want to, change anything there, but it's automatically translated. So this section right here is the image block. You don't need to really worry about something like this. But if you want to upload, it in another language, you can also just click on that and upload it in your media library. The last part is the text here. So you can also edit that if you want, but everything is already edited. So we are not using a full image, right? So we are not using a full image like this for this translation. We are using Klaviyo blocks to create this email because we are letting Klaviyo Smart Translation to do everything. And like I said earlier, we cannot translate images, right? So to avoid all those drags, so we just use text block to build this email. And that's something you can easily do by yourself. So I hope you find this very useful and easy to use. But if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer your question. And also, if you want my team and I to help you take care of this, you don't want to manage this yourself. This is something we've done for many, many, many of our clients. And if you want us to do it for you, I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can use the link to book a call with me, and I'm going to have a consultation with you and see if we can help you, manage your email marketing. I hope you find the video useful. If you do, please like and share, and also subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.